Here at MAN, we simplify things, and that's sometimes pretty unsimple. That's why we are never not improving. The best idea, our next one. Always simplifying, never complicating, and constantly searching for that simpler way to go. Our job, to keep everyday life running and make what always seems to be just there, simply there. Always in mind, our environmental impact, that we take very seriously, thinking about and being ourselves for generations to come. That's not always simple, but it is possible when working closely together. And that's what we do, because together simply is getting further. Working is only simple in a safe and equal environment, when everyone is given the same opportunities, looking after their very individual needs. This needs close cooperation and mutual respect, or simply teamwork, with actions, not labels. Because your needs are our needs. And that's actually quite, well, you know. Simple as that.